We've got Nikita Lyons in action here tonight.
And Nikita Lyons has that martial arts background that makes her one of the hardest hitting women in all of WWE.
Yeah, couple that with her size and strength, and Lyons has definitely become one of the most dangerous competitors in all of WWE.
Yeah, but Ethan Page is a man who knows what it takes to get to the
cover. We have a cover. 2. And that'll about do it, folks.
Here is your winner, all legal, Ethan Page.
Three combatants, but only one winner in this triple threat match.
Yeah, and you don't even need to be part of the deciding fall to lose a triple threat match. That's why you need to keep your eye on both of your opponents at all times.
Oh, she manages to reverse it. That will get your attention. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is so unique. Look at this. There it is. Win. Shoulder up, and the referee ends the count.
Her toughness really shining through here.
Strong kick.
Just getting slugged right in the face.
Page standing over a fallen opponent and ripped up into a power slam.
And this has to be it.
There's 2. What a shot.
That'll fillet your chest.
Tossed by the neck. Oh, he flips that around. Oh, what a knee strike. And stomping away in the corner.
Just ruthless.
leaving the ring right here.
Went for the kendo stick, and the ropes will quickly follow.
Get this back into the ring now.
Whopping him up in the corner.
And saw what was coming there. Going forward again. Tries to fake.
There was no way to come back from that.
And right away into the pin. Ooh, a heinous rake to the back.
Big impact on that spine buster.
This could be it. It could end right here. Stopping the ref's count there. Diving splash in the corner.
Running bulldog.
Shoulders down. This might do it.
It is enough. Finally, it's over.
Here is your winner, Ethan Page.
Has as exciting a triple threat match as we've had here in WWE in recent memory.
He is standing tall, standing proud, and standing victorious after that battle, gentlemen, beating one other superstar's no walk in the park, let alone two.
Here we go with quite the tag team matchup in store. Ready for the fight, we see Johnny Gargano and Ethan Page. And this is sure to be a barn burner of a tag match in this encounter with Shawn Spears and Ethan Page.
Tag team matches can be chaotic, they can be unpredictable.
Rolling right into a small package pinfall.
He's able to beat a 2 count.
He may be down, but somehow he's definitely not out at this point.
Gets driven into the corner.
Gonna take this thing to the high rib district.
Technical masterclass on Gargano.
It's a super kick. They might be able to put this one away right here.
Here are your winners, the team of Johnny Gargano and Ethan Page.
Teams in their respective corners for tonight's tag team contest. For this one, we see Ethan Page and Johnny Gargano. And in the other corner, they will be dealing with Tony D'Angelo, Channing Stacks Lorenzo.
And one thing you always have to keep in mind with a tag match is whether or not it truly is a tag team match, or if it's just two separate fights that the official eventually finds a way to wrangle. Tag team cohesion is a very real thing and a difficult thing to lock down.
And he is directed into the corner. Mudhole stomping.
And Paige is really fired up.
Well, kicks like that are less about injury, more about insult. Just mocking their opponent right now. Total disrespect.
Has him wrangled. Driving face first.
Tag.
Gargano's strike hits the mark. Turns that in his favor. Oh, look at this. A release belly to belly.
Some innovation on its way from Johnny Wrestling. Whoa! Slingshot DDT from the apron.
Oh, man.
Caught in a bad spot.
Johnny is feeling a rush of confidence right now.
The ref's count continues. He better hustle back into the ring.
Schoolboy, nope, rolls through. Looking to end this once and for all.
Here are your winners, the team of Ethan Page and Johnny Gargano.
Tiffany Stratton is prepared to get this match underway.
And don't adjust your TV settings. The whole place got a lot brighter as soon as Tiffany Stratton stepped out here. The confidence, the charisma, the track record, everything about her proves Tiffy is a star.
Well, I think I might know who you're rooting for in this one. While Stratton does have a lot going for her, we've seen her overconfidence backfire on occasion.
Then we've got Blake Monroe taking a break from looking at her own reflection to kick a little butt in the ring. Blake might not be everyone's cup of tea, but...
And now here's the cover. And a quick kick out from Monroe late in the match.
Not even close. Put into the corner. What could be next? Mind-blowing athleticism into the splash.
Drop kick to the face. Oh, did you hear the sound that made? Can she do it here? Gets the shoulder up and one.
And those kickouts are only going to get harder. Downward spiral.
She's now looking a bit worse for wear.
Unhinged offense from the blonde bombshell. Both superstars countering one move after another.
Headbutt. Oh! She's making her way to the top turnbuckle.
Watch out. All the way to the outside. Putting it all on the line and coming up big with a breathtaking move. Now trampling the opposition. We might want to get mobile, boys.
Let's hope the visit to our desk is only temporary. Mounted him in this, punching it away. And a big slap.
Ooh.
Tiffany is feeling it now. This fight is pumping her up. A count out is imminent for her if she doesn't return to the ring.
Into the pin. Can Stratton recover? She pops the shoulder up and one.
She's in the deep end and somehow still able to kick out.
And effectively using the headbutt, hitting hard with a leg drop.
Maybe not, maybe not. The ref not even getting to one.
Where's the energy coming from? Not even a one count.
A wild look in her eye. Sky high!
Way up there.
Fights the shoulder up and one.
And kicking out at this point, this quickly, definitely sends a pretty serious message.
Power slam.
High impact. Looking for the victory.
There's some shock in the arena after that kick out.
Situating her in the ring corner right here.
Targeting a body part, working the arm.
Oh my gosh!
She's been slowed down. Cover.
This could be all over.
She doesn't even get a count of one.
Late in the match, but somehow has the incomparable power to kick out before the one count.
Ooh, and flying.
Whoa, look out. Adrenaline can make you do crazy things. Exhibit A right there.
And she slides her back to the mat. Just like that, she turned it around.
Tight spot for Blake here.
Samoan drop.
The discus clothesline.
Decapitating. Fireman's carry position across the shoulders. Rolling through. Stratton cutting her opponent down to size. The center of the universe. This could end Monroe right now.
2. Tiffany gets a huge win.
Here is your winner, Tiffany Stratton.
A devastating loss for Blake Monroe here.
This is exactly how she's...
And ladies and gentlemen, it's time for a little tap.
Able to evade the clothesline, looking for a pinning combination. Shoulders are down.
Oh, trying to get around, changes it into a cover of their own.
Hold on.
Trying to steal one here.
Beautiful.
Might sneak one. She powers out immediately there.
The ref didn't even get to 2.
Ouch.
Mounting their downed opponent and firing off a series of blows. And a stomp to the gut.
Backing her into that corner now. Back body drop.
smash. Discus clothesline.
So much momentum. Dribbling the opponent's head like a basketball. Tight spot for Solruka.
Sidewalk slam. Covering their opponent for the win. Kick out. She still has life.
She's got serious grit. How did she manage to break that pin?
Out of the corner. She makes the tag.
Stalking now, burning holes in her opponent.
She fights back with the counter. What a drop kick. Paxley comes right back at her.
Thunderous club comes down. Very effective.
Oh, able to get that elbow into the gut, man. Slam right down to the ground.
There's the tag. And it's scouted. Now can capitalize.
Shoving him into the corner now.
Right in the gut, man.
Stop right to the belly.
Just ruthless. Well, all tangled up inside.
Face buster. Counter. He knew just what to do.
Waiting to strike. Brace for impact.
Look out below.
Launch out to the outside.
Putting it all on the line and coming up big.
Living dangerously to get the upper hand. Russian leg sweep. Not done there.
These will keep you down.
Whip back into the ring. Oh, stop, stop, stop. Followed by a forearm smash.
Forcefully sent into the corner of the ring.
Unloading.
Escape just in time.
Tag made. Oh, and a kick.
Right to the midsection.
And Paige perhaps struggling to keep up there. Face buster.
He slipped out of the way there. Oh, man.
Stiff shot.
Paige standing over a fallen opponent and ripped up into a power slam.
And shifting over for the cover.
Bam. Oh, big glove that gets them out of that.
Taking him to the corner now.
Fends it off. Good cover.
Here we go.
Twist of fate.
Absolutely devastating.
Oh, into the pin attack.
Here are your winners, the team of Tiffany Stratton and Ethan.
Oh, this is going to be something crazy. We have a quick swap match.
Oh, yes, baby. You're here 1 second, you're gone the next. Is it magic or is it dark voodoo? I don't know. I just know I love it, man. There it is, that voodoo quick swap thingy. Goodbye.
Deep uppercut connects.
He might just be stalling for time here. He counters with a great reversal.
Back and forth, looking for the advantage here.
Drop kick right on the money.
And that negates Williams' offense. It pulls off the reversal. Quick thinking that time. Oh, way up high.
DDT.
A defensive elbow to the gut ends that.
It's hard to imagine there's really much of a strategy in a DQ match.
Yeah, but there actually is, Cole. A lot of the strategy is about escalation, knowing when to take offense to the next level, whether it's something high risk or with a weapon from under the ring. There's strategy there, whether you like it or not. Measured kick to the vertebrae.
One step ahead there. Oh, she retaliates.
Merciless kick to the back right there.
Tiffany throwing caution to the wind.
Flying. Splash. Massive.
Uh-oh. Oh, the power, the strength of the Dominator.
Hand on the trigger, ready for the final blow.
Kick gets caught. Uh-oh.
These two showing how well they know each other.
Drop kick. Boom! What a kick.
Tiffany with the
Prettiest moonsault ever.
Forget it. You can count to 30 after that. Quick swap here. A way to get a partner into the mix.
Johnny finding an opening.
Able to slip out of that situation. Oh my God!
Timely reversal on Chester.
Oof, that certainly caves a chest in.
Oh,
Oh, what a kick.
Ooh. Solid bit of defense on his part there.
sharp impact from that elbow, man. This could do it.
Up high. Diving brain chop.
And now he's headed out of the ring.
And now heading back inside the ring. Stops that offense from connecting.
Gargano with a schoolboy and ended with a super kick.
Johnny Gargano. And for some reason, he just broke his own submission hold. He answers right back. Johnny Gargano.
it's cinched in.
Submission move.
Gargano has it cinched in. There is no escape.
And he's struggling to get out of this submission, not even concerned about...
His arm's trapped in the crossface, but he's able to shift his weight and now fighting his way out.
Look, resilience. DDT.
This is the kind of match you hope you have every time out. Just an absolute battle being had here.
Truly just a pure test of wills. Great counter by Chester. And he gets set back into the ring. Taking steps toward the top rope. Oh, with authority. He's heading to the top turnbuckle. From the top. Page gets a huge win tonight.
Here is your winner.
It looks like Shinsuke Nakamura's game face is on tonight.
I didn't think it was possible, but somehow Shinsuke Nakamura has become more dangerous than ever. This man was always aggressive, but now he's truly savage.
For Shinsuke, it's no longer enough to win matches. He needs to see his opponent completely broken and beaten.
Across the ring, though, Raquel Rodriguez is looking as mean as ever. You do not want to cross Big Mammy Cool, but I suppose at this moment, it's too late to heed that warning.
Yeah, perpetually in a bad mood, Rodriguez is pure power in the ring. Stomping down! Shinsuke Nakamura needs to figure out a solution.
Shinsuke needs to reassert himself back into this match.
Manages to double leg takedown. Gonna stack them up here. Look at pinned. Counters. Cover.
Oh, look at this. Turning the tables.
Countered into a new cover. And the count doesn't even begin.
I am honestly at a loss for words right now.
And that looked like it shook Shinsuke's foundation a bit.
Positioning them in the corner here.
Playing him on the top rope.
Here we go. Big military press here. Look at the muscle.
Military press slam. Just look at Rodriguez taking control here.
Raquel isn't holding anything back.
Brutal club. Drop kick right on point.
Ooh, stinging kick. Raquel now muscling up her opponent. So easy.
Glory slam.
Is it enough? Is this the end? 2 count. And that's all she wrote.
Here is your winner, Raquel.
Tag team matchup where a team's cohesion is put to the ultimate test. Getting this competition underway as we have Tiffany Stratton, Ethan Page, and Johnny Gargano. And we'll see if they're prepared for tag team action as they go head-to-head with Karen Compactor, Chuck McWagon, and Bailey.
We have to be expecting a frenetic pace in this matchup. These teams stop for nothing. They are all go from bell to bell.
Stomping away, and then the knee right into the throat.
Just ruthless.
Placing her in the corner. Oh, look at this here. Arm wrench.
Oh, God, what a shot to the face.
This standing moonsault on the mark.
Bulldog! She saw that coming from Tiffany. She counters it.
Stratton has a full grasp.
Sky high! Way up there. Fights out at 2.
She may not have too much left, but she at least had enough to kick out there.
She's looking a little drained now.
Clever offense by Stratton.
Oh, what a drop kick.
Shoulders down. She might have her.
She gets the shoulder up.
Oh, this match has to be catching up, taking a toll. Barely getting to her partner.
Oh, drop kick connects with precision.
Bailey showing no answer for the attack.
Any chance for Bailey's offense is being trampled.
Oh, the DDT!
Some innovation on its way from Johnny Wrestling. Whoa! Slingshot DDT from the apron.
And Bailey clearly ready for a fight here.
Leaning against the turnbuckle now.
Oh, Meteora! And now the shoulders down.
This might be it.
She makes the save, and this match continues. Elbow drop.
Trying to bust up that arm, man.
Fireman's carry. Turn it into a sidewalk slam.
Boom. Pow. Boom.
Tag made.
And able to evade the offense.
There's some gouging going on. That'll scratch you up.
Placed him in the corner here. Countering that offense.
All these counters, it's like they're in each other's minds.
Tag. Oh, the double team. What a hip toss. Here we go. Beautiful swinging neck breaker. That might have done it. This could be it. 2. Shoulder up, shoulder up.
I can't even believe this anymore. I just want to sit back and enjoy this battle. Oh, yes, man.
Bang! He finds a counter.
tag soon here. Have to take the chance to get your win back deep into the match. So ruthless. Oof. There's some gouging going on.
Torturous face rake.
Comes down across the head with the axe handle. Ethan firmly establishing the upper hand.
Unrelenting attacks from Ethan.
Wasting no time. Shoulders are down. Lands a timely reversal.
In comes Bailey.
And she's making her way to the top rope here.
Blast off! Oh, lands right on the knees. That can change everything. And I think we just might see.
Twist of fate.
This could be it.
Cashing in on that effort. Punishing boot.
Reorientating them in the corner here. Oh, shot to the gut.
A helpless Bailey here.
And down with that sidewalk slam.
Ooh, vicious kick to the spine. Tiffany into the cover for the win.
What an amazing six-man tag match.
Here are your winners, the team of Tiffany Stratton